Alright guys, welcome to another hopefully quick unboxing. Let's see what we got here from Amazon. You should be able to just rip these things apart. There we go, just rip them apart. What do we have here? This is vegan cheddar flavor, non-GMO vegan cheddar flavor. And it is, let me see here. Let's see if we can actually zoom in, or at the very least, there we go. Judy's vegan cheddar flavor, 11.25 ounces, and it's new. So the reason I got this was I was doing a forthright review and they said, you know what, why don't you review one of our products? So they sent me this thing for free to review, to try to test out to see if it's any good, and I will let you know this week as it goes. I'll also show you another video later on of the product so you can buy it yourself if you want to try it out yourself. But anyway, we'll see if
Likey.